Welcome to Luz Banson Elementary School, Luz Banson Hasaan, Misamis Oriental, District of Hasaan, Division of Misamis Oriental.
My due respect to our school principal of Luz Banson Elementary School, Mr. Manolito Visali Sr. Welcome, sir. And to our three judges from respective higher grade level, to start with Dr. Sarah J. P. Corbita, and our ICT coordinator of Luz Banson Elementary School, Mrs. Shirel E. Salvador. Welcome. Okay, this morning we are going to have a debate in relation to our subject, which is edukasyon sa pagpapakatao, in which we are going to connect with it to the decision making, wastong pagdidesisyon in relation to the social media, which is very rampant in our society today. The radio, the television, the networking. That is why we gathered here this morning to have this debate with a theme: social media, it is good or bad. But before we are going to proceed with the debate proper, may we call in Dr. Sarah J. P. Corbita to read the classroom debate rubrics or criteria. A round of applause, please.
Good morning, everyone, especially to our energetic principal, headed by Sir Manolito Visali Sr. and the rest. Good morning. Here are the criteria for the debate rubric, and it has 4 levels of performance, which is level 1, unclear in most parts; level 2, clear in some parts but not overall; level 3, most clear and orderly in all parts; and in level 4, completely clear and orderly presentation. It is based from criteria number 1, organization and clarity, which consists of viewpoints and responses are being outlined both clearly and orderly. Number 2, use of arguments, consists of reasons which are given to support viewpoint. Level 3, criteria number 3, use of examples and facts. These are the following: the examples and facts are given to support reasons. Number 4, use of rebuttal, which are the following: the arguments made by the other teams are responded to and dealt with effectively. Criteria number 5, the last one, the presentation style, consists of tone of voice, use of gestures and level of enthusiasm or convincing to audience. And this is according to the level or scale 1 up to 4, and the highest level is 4. And that's all. Good morning again, and mabuhay.
Thank you, Dr. Sarah J. P. Corbita. And we are going to start with our debate proper. Okay, let us start with the debate proper. Participants, good luck.
Social media is a good thing or a bad thing? That is the most frequently asked questions today. Well, there are always two sides of everything. It depends on your perspective on how you perceive it. The same goes for social media. Most people admire it as a revolutionary invention, and some seem to take it as a negative impact on the society. But still the question remains, it is good or bad? At this point, allow me to introduce to you our participant to start with from positive side. Maria Danica Joy D. Paita. Precious Ann C. Karampatan. Jessa S. Pancho. And for the negative side, may I call in Shella C. Dago. Mary Charlene A. Castro. Abimael V. Zamora. And for our time recorder, may I call in Celeste Cassandra L. Casino. Social media is an integral part of today's society, with loads of information being disseminated over the internet. Social media has become the very fabric upon which our society is being built. The people who are at the forefront of modeling the future of social networking sites are teens and children. This is because vast majority of the people who use internet are teens and children. Reportedly by Norman Ali, many teens spend an average of 8 hours every day. Much of that time to be spent on social media sites with only some attention focused on research and learning. Ladies and gentlemen, social media can be used to educate young people. Yes, social media is and will continue to be harmful unless something is done about it. And don't also forget, Danica, according to Norman Ali, the power it has over people is dangerous and often goes unnoticed. People should care because if not addressed or taking care of social media could cause national and international problems. Social media stunts interpersonal growth and increased narcissism in many internet users. And ladies and gentlemen, social media leads to isolation and affects productivity. Yes, there have been many negative outcomes from social media, Shala, such as cyberbullying and other online dangers. But don't forget, Shala, according to Norman Ali blog, that social media can be used in ways that promote positive and productive ideas in society today. Promote positive behaviors, make social media an invaluable tool to young people. Social media has enabled more young people to be creative of youngsters to congregate online and interact socially as if they were in person, regardless of their distance from each other. According to Kelly Austin, there are likely teens out there who do not know of many other uses of the internet other than their favorite social media platform. My dear opponents, I firmly believe that SM or social media have its positive impact to the world today. Social media can be used to educate young people. Social media can be used as a voice of reason in a society. Social media takes the bad side of internet with its dangerous or needless trends like selfies or inanimate challenge. The dangers that are more dangerous than their innocent look. With selfies, it can give a stranger a leisure of knowing what a person looks like and potentially where they go. My dear opponents, why social media leads to isolation and affect productivity? Social media leads to affect and productivity according to Norman Ali. Extreme usage of social media has reduced the level of human interaction. Because of social networks, the interaction with other people has become effortless and people have isolated their lives behind their online identities. Face-to-face communication and meetings has been reduced and many of us have lost the flavor and charm to be together under one roof. Mostly business use social media to find and communicate with clients, but it is a great distraction to employees who may show more interest in what their friends are posting than in their work tasks. Where.com posts to studies which demonstrate damage to productivity caused by social networking. Nucleus Research reported that Facebook shapes 1.5% of office productivity, while more claim that British companies lost 2.2 billion a year to the social phenomenon. New technology products have become available that allow social networks to be blocked, but their effectiveness remains spotty. My dear opponents, you are telling us that social media can be used to educate young people. And how? In what way? Since many of us are abused of the use and importance and so-called social media. Social media can be used to educate young people while talking to and advising kids and teens on one-on-one basis is considered as an ideal. Social media can do the same much more effectively and to a broader audience all at once. People like to use YouTube to express their opinions and various subjects. In the process, they attract millions of views affects brain skills so much that they will never get a degree in environmental activities if they use or depend their phone so much. And then unless you were born rich, they will end up homeless bum addiction to the weed. So then the people in the poor countries don't have phones are sometimes more successful. To be fair and honest, we need to mention that social media has its positive outcomes and has its drawbacks as well. As have been relied in this article, at the end, it is in your choice to either use social media in a positive way and benefit from it in your social and academic life, or use social media in a negative impact. Yes, my dear opponent, you're telling us that social media has changed people to interact in the society we live in. However, it has a dark side as well that destroys people's lives and its society we live in, according to the article inside Man Media. And now, we have mentioned a few positive and negative points of social media, but it doesn't explain that social media is a good thing or a bad thing. It stands somewhere in between. You will remain in spite of these examples that if your social media is a good thing or a bad thing for society. We could live to hear about your thoughts and opinion. About the question raised, do you think social networks are good or bad? It's up to you to decide. Thank you and good morning once again.
My dear participants, while they computed the result, may we call in our school principal to give some comments and suggestions with regards to the debate that we have today. A round of applause, please.
Thank you very much, Mr. Olaco, the advisor of the Edukasyon sa Pagkakatao, no? For the grade 6 humanity. Good morning to everyone, to my sumos, no? To the judges, Dr. Copita, Mrs. Salvador, and to the pupils. Once again, good morning. I'm so happy indeed witnessing the debate. This is the second time where I observing the debate classes, no? In the previous years by Mrs. Magaway and now by Mr. Olaco, no? So I congratulate each and everyone because you are chosen among the few, no? So out of 35, you are selected as the participant. That's one point. You are ahead of your classmates because you are trained to be the best debater. No? So based on your performances, I am so happy. Why? I did not expect that you expresses more than, diba? So, as expected. Although there are some medyo nagka-libog-libog gamay, no? Because of some reasons, no? But, congratulations. Sa tanan. Ay, even myself, kalibog ko say the best girl, diba? Because, tanan man nagpakita sa the best. Congratulations. On the negative side, they have done the best. On the positive side, the best yapon. Ang pag-narrator, ang pag-narrator, the observer or supporters, no? I enjoyed much this morning. That's why I suggest if ever there are some kind of these classes, tingali, this is the avenue or the opportune time nga ma-train ka mo as debater. No? Not only in education sa pagkatao, but also in English, in Filipino, and other subject areas. So once again, congratulations to Mr. So keep it up. Dugangan pa yun for the next round. Huh? So next round. So, paitaw din, no? Dahil ikaw si Rampatan, Pancho. Kani dahil sila Dago, Castro, Zamora. No. So, although there's a need to improve. No? Para yung debate kita dito sa district. Aram dito sa dito sa may mga journalist someday, no? Magdebate. May mong kapitan, may mong kagawan. Magdebate ba, di ba? So, normally, ang disagreement is normal. O ang affirmative side, normal gihapon. So, we are going to disagree in order to agree. Remember that. Mag-disagree ta, mag-discuss, labay sa itong mga una-una. But at the end, bagon sa mata. Magkatagbo rin hapon. So we will agree. So remember, there is a need to disagree in order to agree. Thank you. Once again, good morning.
Thank you, sir. At this point, we give a certificate of appreciation to our Board of Judges and to our school principal. Let me read to you the citation. Department of Education, Region 10, Division of Misamis Oriental, District of Hazaan, Luz Banson Elementary School. Certificate of appreciation is given to Mr. Manolito Visali Sr. for being one of the classroom debate judge during the ESP subject with the theme social media. It is good or bad. Given the second day of August 2017 at Luz Banson Elementary School, Luz Banson Hazaan, Misamis Oriental. Signed, Brent Romy A. Olaco, Teacher 1, ESP teacher. Thank you, sir. Another certificate of appreciation is given to Dr. Sarah J. P. Corbita. And another certificate of appreciation is given to Mrs. Sherelle E. Salvador. Thank you, kay ma'am. Okay. Before we will announce the best debater and best team debater, I will give a request our judges to please come at the center to hand in the certificate of recognition to the participants. Certificate of participation is given to Abimael B. Zamora. Another certificate of appreciation is given to Jessa S. Pancho. Another certificate of participation is given to Sheila C. Lago. Certificate of participation is given to Maria Danica Joy D. Paita. Another certificate of participation is given to Mary Charlene A. Castro. Another certificate of participation is given to Precious Ann C. Karapatan. Certificate of participation is given to Kathleen May T. Dael. Congratulations for the participation. Okay. I have here now the result for the best debater and the best team debater. And may we call in our judges to hand in the certificate again for the deserving winners. Okay. Our best debater, no other than Maria Danica Joy Aina.
Ana Lopez.
Jenna
Lopez.
Oo. Lopez, oh.
Picture ba?
Congratulations.
Congratulations na kadan.
Picture na kadan.
Okay. And for our best team debater, no other than from the positive side, Maria Danica Joy Ipaita, Precious Ann Karapatan, and Jessa S. Pancho. Congratulations to all the winners and the group who participated in the debate. Thank you.